Hello viewers, welcome back to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how can you delete all photos and videos from WhatsApp gallery. So let's get started our video. So guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first you need to launch on your WhatsApp application, and after that you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option. There you can see three dot, so just tap it, and after that you can see option settings, so just tap on this settings, and after that you get a option on the down. There you can see storage and data, so just select it, and now you can see a option on the top. There you can see manage storage, so just select it, and then every person or group you can see who is shared with you videos and photos, so just select this person, and then you can see everything, every media file, photos, videos, audios, everything you can see. You need to select on the top. There you can see option select all option, so just mark it. Then every photos, videos, audios is marked. Then on the bottom, on the top right corner, delete option. There you can see on the top right corner, just tap on this delete option. You need to confirm it, delete items, you need to confirm it, delete. That's it. Now there you can see every photos and videos from are deleted from your WhatsApp gallery. So guys, in this way you can delete every photos and videos from any person ID or any groups. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.